Namaskar. So, today we have 3 workouts that we are going to do early in the morning to hit our shoulders and our biceps. The workouts are going to be really simple, any beginner can do them. I will just give you a small demo. Please watch the entire video and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the bell button so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll see it. Okay, let's start.
Let's start with some chin-ups exercise, mainly for your biceps, your lats, your back, and probably if you do it properly a little bit on your upper chest, and you can keep your core tight so that it will also hit your abs. It's not a very easy exercise if you had been out of the gym or not been working out lately, but if you keep trying, I am sure you will do better. Even I'm struggling. I used to do around 10 or even 15 reps earlier, but these days I can just do 4 to 5. But I don't give up. Even if I can't do too many reps in a set, I go for more sets. So I do around 5 to 6 sets of 3 reps each. I keep trying, so I say even you should not give up. Keep trying. This is a really good exercise for your biceps, your forearm and your upper body. The next exercise we are going to do is the Dumbbell Lateral Raises. This is a great exercise for your upper body. It trains your shoulders. It helps you to build a broader shoulder. If you are looking for a broad upper body, this is the exercise for you. Try doing 3 to 4 sets every 2 to 3 times a week and you will see results. Start with a very light weight. As you get stronger, you can use heavier dumbbells, but I personally prefer using light weights. And if you don't have dumbbells at home, you can also use your water bottle. You will need 2 of them. Just fill them with water and do the exercise. But remember, the negative motion of the exercise has always gonna be slower than the positive motion. So when you lower your hands, try to lower them as slow as possible. This will really boost your pump in your shoulders. And the last exercise we are going to do today is a combination of dumbbell bicep curls and dumbbell shoulder press. We keep doing this exercise till failure. The aim of this exercise is to increase your endurance in your upper body. This exercise can also help you increase your strength in your push-ups as well as your pull-ups. So you can do 3 to 4 sets of this exercise every 2 to 3 days in a week. Then you will see your upper body endurance have improved. But remember, consistency is the key. If you keep doing these exercises regularly, you'll see that you have gained some upper body strength. Thank you for watching this video. We are done with the workout for the day. And in our next video, we are going to do some posing practice as well as some lower body workout. Till then, stay lazy, be awesome. Ta-da! Subscribe!